welcome back. We're taking another look at a movie review. This time it's a movie called America, Imagine the World Without Her. It's by Dinesh D'Souza. Made a couple of other books. In fact, I think I might have reviewed this movie before, but I'm reviewing it again. I like this movie. So Dinesh is a political movie maker, filmmaker, and he is not a fan of the Clintons or Obama. At least what they have their plans for this country. He's an immigrant and appreciative of the freedoms and liberties that we have here, and his movies express that very well. So he does a bit of dramas like this one and this one. One of my favorite parts is he talks about Madame C.J. Walker, who I did not know about or I did not remember from the last time I watched the movie. So I read a bit about her. She was the first self-made millionaire when she died in 1919. Pretty cool, and it's neat that he puts stuff like that in the movie to let people have little pieces of info to retain from the movie, so it's not just entertainment, right? It's a little bit of edutainment right away. You can watch this one on YouTube Prime and others. It looks like it's got about mixed reviews, maybe depending on the platform, but it's a little bit dry, so I can imagine why some people aren't going to like it. It's not an action movie for sure. But it's also maybe in a political direction that some people aren't comfortable or don't agree with. If you do cherish the United States, though, it basically takes some of the accusations, the challenges, or the things that people will suggest the United States is guilty of, and takes a look at each of those 5 things: tyranny, oppression, all the big stuff, and puts it in a refreshing, educated light framework, and lets people decide what they think. Great movie. Let us know what you think in the comments. We'll leave a link to the Amazon link over there, and thanks to our patrons who give us a chance to sneak these movie reviews in after the Daily Gun Show once in a while. We do these as a series, so the people that throw a cup of coffee at us each month, that goes a long way to paying bills and keeping enough time to do projects like this one, as well as the other ones that are probably a bit more important. Let us know in the comments what you think about America, where would we be without her, this series on movie reviews, and anything else you might want. Thanks for watching.